Hi student, good morning. Now today we are going to trace circle and S curve. Okay, so this is practicing letters book. Okay, now open the book. Today we are going to trace O curve means circle and S curve. Okay, so page number 8. This is page number 8. Now here we have to write down date. So in corner you have to mention the date, and here you have to make comma and make circle, and here and write down curve CURVE. This is curve. Okay, and this is S curve CURVE, S curve. Now we have to trace in 4 line. Okay, we have to start from top. Okay, make a left curve. Okay, half curve. Again make right curve. This is circle curve. This is called circle curve. How we have to trace? First we have to make left curve, join it, again go upside, make a right curve. So this is circle. This is called circle curve. Okay, like this you have to trace in 4 line. You have to start from pink line, again make a curve left side. Okay, again we have to start from and make right side like this. This is O curve, circle curve. Like this you have to trace, student. You do like this also, huh? First make you right curve and again make a left curve. This is also make circle like this. And if you want make a first left curve, then make a right curve first, and someone like that make a first right curve and then make left curve, join. So this is the circle curve. Like this you have to trace. Sharp your pencil, student, and then trace. Okay, you trace your own. आपको खुद से ही ट्रेस करना है बुक में. Like this. This is curve. Okay, now next S curve. How we have to trace S curve? Start from top, make a left curve, come swing and make a right curve. This is S curve. This is called S curve. Make first left curve, swing come down, make a right curve. This is called S curve. Like this you have to trace S curve. This is called S curve. What we call, student? S curve. This is called S curve. S curve. S curve. S curve. Okay. Write down in 3 lines. Make a first left curve, swing, make right curve. This is called S curve. This is called S curve. This is called S curve. S curve. This is called S curve. Like this you have to trace very properly. Which curve is this? S curve. How you will trace? Make first left curve, then make right curve. This is called S curve. Okay, students, so I have completed my one page. Now on another page, what we have to trace? We have to trace pattern way. Okay, this is called pattern way. Now how we will trace? These are pattern waves. PARREN, pattern waves. WAVE, waves. Now we have to start from top, come down, again go up, make a nod, make a curve, up curve, again come down, again go up, make a nod, make a up curve, again come down, go up, make a nod, up curve. Like this you have to trace pattern way. Don't remove your pencil. आपको पेंसिल को हटाना नहीं है वहाँ से. Like this you have to trace. How you will trace, student? In 3 lines you have to trace. Okay. Start from top. Come down. Again go up. Make a nod. Make a up curve. Again come down. Again go up. Make a nod. Come down. Make a nod. Again make a up curve. This is called pattern way. What we call? Pattern way. Like this you have to trace. Continue, you have to trace. Slowly trace. Like this. आपको अच्छी तरह से ट्रेस करना है. धीरे धीरे ट्रेस करो, लेकिन पेंसिल को बार बार मत उठाओ. ओके. लाइक This is called pattern waves. Like this. Okay, student. How you will make pattern wave? First, come down, again go up, make a knot, again come down, make a knot, go up, make a up curve, make a knot, make a up curve, make a knot, make a up curve, make a knot. This is called pattern wave. Make a knot, again go up, make a knot, again go up, make a knot, again go up, make a knot, again go up. This is called pattern wave. What we call pattern wave. Make a knot, again go up, 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 make a knot, again go up. This is called pattern wave. Okay, now we have to start from down side. Okay, so how we will trace? We have to straight like this. First make a knot, come down, again go up side, make a knot, come down side, again make a knot, come down side, again make a knot, come down side, again make a knot, come down side. Okay, student, this is called what we call pattern wave. This is called pattern wave. वेव्स मतलब लहर जिसे हम बोलते हैं ना, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? पैटर्न वेव. Make a knot like this. Come down, make a knot, come down, make a knot, come down. This is called pattern wave. This is called pattern wave. Make a knot, come down, 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 make a knot, come down. This is called what we call pattern wave. Okay, first we have to make knot, then come down, again make knot, come down. How you will make a knot? Go up, come down, make a curve, go up, come down, make a curve, go up, come down, make a curve, go up, come down, make a knot. And then we have to again make a curve, again make a knot, again make a curve, again make a knot. This is called pattern waves. Pattern waves. Like this you have to trace this pattern. Slowly you have to trace. Make a knot, make a curve. This is called pattern wave. Like this you have to trace pattern waves. Okay, student, so today we learn circle curve, S curve, pattern waves. This is down curve and this is up curve. Okay, student, so you have to also trace very properly, click the photo and send on the group. Till then, bye bye.